Are you ready to add a new adorable character to your Marvel Rivals game collection? Uh, Look no further than Jeff the Land Shark, the latest addition to the Marvel Universe. Uh, with his fresh look and winter attire, Jeff is sure to make a splash during the winter celebration special occasion. From December 2022 to January 9th, 2023, players can obtain Jeff's fuzzy fin fluff outfit for free. This charming shark character will lead the Jeff's Winter Splash Festival game mode, where players can direct Jeff and spray snowflakes to transform the Garden of Ixgard into a winter wonderland. And those winter wonderland the exact method to obtain the outfit has not been specified, but it will be available for free during the event. Players may be able to get the skin directly from the in-game shop at no cost, or by participating in the Jeff's Winter Splash Festival. In addition to Jeff's free outfit, 4 additional outfits will be released during the winter event and available for purchase in the in-game shop. These include Groot's Holiday Happiness, Rocket Raccoon's Wild Winter, Venom's Snow Symbiote, and Magic's Frozen Demon. Jeff the Land Shark is currently ranked in the B tier of Marvel Rivals, alongside popular characters like Loki, Iron Man, and Wolverine. So don't miss out on the chance to add this lovable shark to your collection during the winter celebration. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,